Carrier Thermostat Troubleshooting. Quick fixes for common issues. Check if your carrier thermostat has power and ensure the settings are correct. Reset the thermostat if issues persist. Carrier thermostats are crucial for maintaining home comfort by regulating temperature. Troubleshooting common issues can save time and money. Often, problems stem from simple errors such as incorrect settings or power issues. Begin by verifying the thermostat has power. Ensure the settings match your desired temperature and mode. Resetting the thermostat can resolve minor glitches. If problems continue, inspect the wiring and connections. Regular maintenance and understanding basic troubleshooting steps can prevent many issues. For persistent problems, consult a professional technician to avoid further complications. Keeping your carrier thermostat in optimal condition ensures efficient home temperature control and comfort. Introduction to carrier thermostats. Carrier thermostats are essential for controlling home temperature. They ensure comfort and energy efficiency. Let's explore their importance in common models. Importance in HVAC systems. Common models, carrier thermostat. Basic troubleshooting steps. Carrier thermostats are reliable but can sometimes have issues. Knowing basic troubleshooting steps can help you fix common problems. Here are some simple steps to get your thermostat working again. 1. Resetting the thermostat. 2. Checking power supply carrier thermostat. Temperature reading issues. Temperature reading issues in a carrier thermostat can cause discomfort in your home. These issues may lead to inaccurate temperature settings, making your home too hot or too cold. Addressing these problems involves checking calibration and sensor placement. 1. Calibrating the thermostat. 2. Sensor placement carrier. Thermostat unresponsive. Thermostat. An unresponsive thermostat can be frustrating. Your home may not stay comfortable. This issue often has simple fixes. Let's explore some common causes and solutions. 1. Battery replacement. 2. Wiring inspection carrier. Thermostat programming. Programming errors can cause your carrier thermostat to malfunction. These errors often result in incorrect temperature settings or scheduling issues. Fixing programming errors is crucial for maintaining a comfortable home environment. Follow these steps to resolve common programming errors. 1. Reprogramming steps. 2. Factory reset carrier. Thermostat, HVAC system. Not responding is your carrier. Thermostat not responding? This can be frustrating. Several factors might cause this issue. Here's a detailed guide to troubleshooting your HVAC system. 1. Circuit breaker check. 2. System compatibility carrier. Thermostat Wi-Fi connectivity problems. Many users face issues with their carrier thermostat's Wi-Fi connection. Solving these issues can be simple if you know where to look. This guide will help you troubleshoot common Wi-Fi problems. 1. Network settings. 2. Firmware updates carrier thermostat. When to call a professional, sometimes carrier thermostats can have issues beyond basic troubleshooting. Knowing when to call a professional can save you time and money. This section will help you decide when it's time to seek expert help. 1. Identifying complex issues. 2. Choosing a qualified technician, carrier thermostat, preventive maintenance tips. Keeping your carrier thermostat in top shape ensures optimal performance. With regular maintenance, you can avoid unexpected issues and costly repairs. Below are some preventive maintenance tips to help you. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Software updates. Frequently asked questions about carrier thermostat. How do I reset my carrier thermostat? To reset your carrier thermostat, press the reset button. If there's no reset button, turn off the power to the thermostat for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Why is my carrier thermostat not working? Check if the thermostat has power. Replace batteries if necessary. Ensure all wires are connected properly. If the issue persists, consult a professional. How do I calibrate a carrier thermostat? To calibrate, access the settings menu on your carrier thermostat. Follow the instructions in the user manual for precise calibration steps. What does a blinking light on my carrier thermostat mean? A blinking light typically indicates a system error. Refer to your user manual for specific error codes. If unresolved, contact a professional. Conclusion about carrier thermostat. Effective carrier thermostat troubleshooting ensures your HVAC system runs smoothly. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs. Follow the outlined steps to identify and fix common issues. Always consult your manual and consider professional help if needed. Keeping your thermostat in top condition enhances comfort and energy efficiency in your home. This video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching video.